time lapse of all the fog that we received across the valley. We've been dealing with these mornings of just very foggy conditions, especially patchy, dense fog at times. And we're going to have another night of that as we head into tomorrow morning. This was sent in for us from Mark Munoz. He's with Valley Por Vida. As we look at the current situation for tonight, we are expecting another round of that fog to make its appearance as we head into tomorrow morning. But that temperature trend, overnight lows dropping into the 70s. So we're going to be on the comfortable side, but rather warm as we go into tomorrow. Tonight, overnight lows dropping to about upper 60s with southeast winds at 7 to 10 miles an hour. We're going to see that patchy dense fog lasting in the morning hours. But for tomorrow, if you're heading out to the MCALLEN Holiday Parade, we are expecting warm conditions, a high of 85 on Saturday with southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. That parade forecast, we're going to be in the 70s, so it's not going to feel like Christmas. But the good news is that we're going to see and feel really comfortable conditions. I know last year we were dealing with very cold and wet conditions. This year, not so much, just very comfortable with short sleeves and, of course, shorts there for the what to wear if you're going out to the parade there. For the two-day beach forecast, temperature highs in the 70s on South Padre Island with partly cloudy conditions. Increasing cloud cover expected for Sunday. Also, we're going to be dealing with more breezy conditions on Sunday, all thanks to another weather system that's going to be moving on through. Rain chances are about 20% for Monday and Tuesday. That's going to be associated with a cold front that's going to bring some isolated shower chances, mainly along our coastal areas, but a very weak cold front that's only going to cause our highs to be about 85, 84, and then lows back into the 60s there. But currently right now in the upper 60s, low 70s, still fairly comfortable outside, and we're going to continue those conditions as we head into the next several hours with those southeast winds at 6 to 7 miles an hour. As we look at future clouds and radar, see increasing cloud cover in the overnight hours. That's where we're going to start seeing that fog form. It's going to be patchy and isolated, but also we're going to be dealing with increasing winds from what we've seen previously. So those winds could prevent that fog from forming, but we're still going to keep that fog in the forecast for tomorrow, and then clearing out to mostly sunny skies and another night of mostly cloudy conditions as we head into the start of next week there. Mostly quiet across the south central U.S. There is a weather system moving through North Texas that's causing a few showers there and cloud cover for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. But other than that, just remaining rather calm. And that's what we've been dealing with for the past few days there. For the next 7 days, expecting that front to make its appearance as we head into Monday. However, a very weak front. Weather models are hinting around that it could be weakening and stalling before it hits the valley, but highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, and then another reinforcing weak front for Wednesday and Thursday. That's going to keep those temperatures in the low 80s, so we're remaining on the warm side. Our average temperature around this time of year is supposed to be in the 70s, but we're going to be dealing with above average temperatures for the next few days with overnight lows in the 60s and 70s with isolated shower chance for next Tuesday.